Everything we create today is designed to build tomorrow. As a family, as Vandersanden, we care for future generations. We continuously invest in innovative technologies that open up to new horizons with new possibilities. We are determined to make a difference. There are no limits. We are prepared to evolve, whatever it takes, to make our world a better place. We truly believe that greatness is something you build together, with a clear focus on the well-being of people, creating sustainable and safe environments that conserve life. It's therefore that we've initiated and developed a sustainability program. A program that energizes us and drives us forward. Together to Zero is not just a hollow, meaningless new phrase. It's a promise to the future. It's our promise for the future. It is our everlasting commitment to a carbon-free world, and therefore a future for generations to come. Together to Zero is the only way forward. Join us in our quest, because together we build greatness. To be continued, so stay tuned.